Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Alright, today we're going to show you how to replace and reset your drum and your Brother HL-5450. The first thing you have to do is you're going to open the front access door. Once you have that open, you're going to remove the drum and toner that's already inside the machine. You're going to lift and pull that out. Now we've got to separate the toner from the drum, but you do that, there's a green tab on the side of the drum. You're going to push down on that tab and lift and rotate the toner outside of the drum. We'll set the old one off to the side here. We will grab our new Onyx brand Brother drum. Inside of every Onyx brand Brother drum there is printed instructions for how to replace the drum. We'll set those off to the side. Okay, so now we're going to reinstall our toner back into the brand new drum. We're going to slide it in, and you'll feel it click into place when you press it down. So now there's a green tab at the top of the drum. You're going to want to grab that green tab, slide it back and forth about 2 or 3 times, making sure that it ends up at the same spot it started. There should be 2 arrows pointing at each other. Once you're done, you're going to reinstall that back inside the printer. You'll feel it click into place. Once you do that, you're going to reach over and you're going to push and hold down the go button until all the LEDs on the side of the machine light up. Once the last one lights up, you can let go of the go button, close the front access door, and it's just that simple. You've reset and replaced your Brother drum.